let's make some adobo. So, to start, we are going to chop up lots of onions, lots of garlics, the more the better. And sure, it might make your mouth smell bad, but it's oh so important. Then take out your nice meat. You don't necessarily have to use pork belly here, but you can get away with beef and chicken thighs. I'm using pork shoulder because I love how soft it is. And all that extra fat will all add so much more flavor. We're going to marinate this for 1 hour in half a cup of soy sauce and 4 tablespoons of vinegar and set aside. Once you're ready, set the pressure cooker to saute and then lightly brown your meat on all sides and put it aside. The word adobo comes from the Spanish word adobar, which means pickling or marinade, specifically in a vinegar and soy sauce to be braised, which helps break down the meat fibers and give that nice, soft, and rich taste. Then add your sauce ingredients, which include 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1/4 cup of regular soy sauce, and melt down 2 tablespoons of palm sugar and brown sugar. Add your meat back to the pressure cooker and pressure cook for 15 minutes on high. And don't forget to add the bay leaf. Or maybe 2. Once that's done, add a little bit of cornstarch water back to the pot and serve on top of rice with a little bit of green onions to garnish, as well as whole peppercorns. This dish is perfect for the cold winter months and for college students because it is surprisingly easy to cook in a pressure cooker and it's fairly cheap too.